Have you watched this cartoon, Tom and Jerry? That was my favorite cartoon when I was a child. So today we're going to create a game, The Cat Catches the Mouse. So first let's delete this cat. We're going to have a different cat. We're going to add the mouse. This mouse is about the same size as the cat, so it's too big. Let's select the mouse and change its size to 50. Okay, now let's go back to cat. Go to events. When green flag clicked, we want the cat to start from the left side of the screen. So it will go to -200 and 0. It will keep going to the right. So we'll go to control. There's something called repeat until. Then we go to sensing until touching mouse. So the cat will repeatedly go to the right until it touches the mouse. Then go to motion, it will move 5 steps. Once it touches the mouse, it's going to say, haha, I caught you. Then it will move another few steps to make sure that it really catches the mouse. So let's make it move another 30 steps. Okay. So the mouse also moves to the right, so it will be similar to the code of the cat. Let's drag this code and drag it over mouse. Okay, now we click mouse, you can see the code is already here. And we need to change some numbers. So instead of starting from the left side, we will start from almost the center of the screen, and the mouse will move to the right until the cat catches it. So it will be repeat until touching, until touching the cat. And mouse should move a bit slower. So let's make it move 3 steps, and we need to remove these two. Now let's click the green flag and try. Okay, so now it works. One more thing I want to add is to add some shadows. So it looks like the cat is and the mouse are moving very fast because they are. One is trying to get food and the other is trying to run for his life. Let's choose the cat first. Every time before I move, I will go and create a clone. Create a clone of myself. And when I start as a clone, first I will change my ghost effect by 50. So I'll become a little bit faded because it's supposed to be the shadow. And then we will change the ghost effect slowly. So we'll go to control. I'll repeat for 5 times. And every time I'll change ghost effect by 10. So once we finish the loop, ghost effect becomes 100. That means the cat is not visible anymore. We can delete it. So we'll go to control and delete this clone. Okay, so we will drag this code over the mouse. Now click the mouse. We have the same code here. And if you notice under costumes, the mouse has 2 costumes. The tail is like wiggling around. And the cat, there's only 1 costume. So if you go back to mouse, inside the code, we can also ask it to change costume. So every time it moves, it will change to the next costume. And of course, it will need to create a clone as well. Create a clone of myself. I'll move 3 steps. I'll change the next costume. And when I start as a clone, every time we repeat, I will also use the next costume. Now let's try again. Okay, so now it looks better. So that's a step-by-step tutorial.